Anyway, the chest, which mainly consists of the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, is a notoriously difficult muscle to build. But it's not impossible, providing you follow our advice and avoid these silly mistakes. Check out these 5 reasons why your chest isn't troubling your shirt buttons. Number 1. You're not resting enough. Come on guys, you know this, right? You know that your gains are made away from the gym, more often than not, fast asleep with a belly full of protein. In fact, working out too hard and too often on the same body part could stunt muscle growth, and actually break down tissue that you have already worked so hard on to build. Constantly blitzing yourself in the gym, without adequate rest will lead to overtraining and burnout. How to best avoid it? A good rule of thumb to follow. After a hard chest workout, wait at least 48 hours before training the same muscles again. Number 2. You're not thinking like a lifter. Although still a contentious debate, a body of research is starting to appear confirming the mind-muscle link. Now, we're not telling you to go all Darren Brown on us. But the more you focus on the muscle you're working, the more muscle fibers you can activate. Next time you're in the gym, think about the muscle working harder as you move it. Concentrate on the contraction of the body part as you lift and lower the weight and how strong you feel while doing it. It will work, trust us, just don't think about. Actually, do think about it. Number 3. You're not lifting heavy enough. Let's keep this point simple. If you want to build a set of pecs that would be proud of, then you have to work your muscles hard. Of course, everybody has their limitations and lifting capabilities, and we're not here to judge. Although you'll be surprised just how hard you can go if you put your mind. If you are just starting out, there is no need to blitz your muscles. Once you are more skilled at controlling heavy loads with good form, you can think about doing more advanced workouts, lifting to high levels of failure or fatigue. Experiment in the 6 to 12 representative range. Number 4. You're not warming up. It's amazing how many people will walk straight onto the gym floor and start pumping away on a weight bench. Guys, you need to warm up, and a few swings of your arms won't cut it. In 2015, a systematic review of the effects of upper body warm-up on performance and injury was. A total of 31 studies were reviewed with results showing that high-load dynamic warm-ups enhanced power and strength performance. Warm muscles are far more flexible, have a greater degree of mobility, can produce a larger amount of explosive power, and are less prone to injury. Give yourself more time before each session to get the juices flowing. It will make a big difference. Number 5. You're not going slow enough. There's always that one guy in the weights room who looks as if he's trying to break a world record for the amount of reps performed in 30 seconds. And if your goal is to build muscle, this will do little to help the process. In order to cause significant muscle trauma and therefore signal the rebuilding process, your muscles needs time under tension. Going quick might boost your ego, but it won't grow your chest. Slow lifting movements performed to fatigue produces greater increases in rates of muscle protein synthesis than the same movement performed. There is no need to slow down in excess, as muscle activation is reduced up to 36% when training at very slow speeds. For lowering and lifting phases, there does not, according to research, seem to be any advantage to slowing the movement down to more than about 3 seconds, and it is possible that doing so might actually be detrimental to growth. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.